Okay, guys, it's raining super hard, and there's like lightning. There's like a lightning about to strike. Like there's been a lot of. Baby animatronic. You hear it, guys? Thunder. There's like a lot of thunder, and it was raining. I don't think you can see it, but it's raining. And I don't think you can do. Whoa, lightning! You see that flash? I was right here, and then you saw a flash. I think you saw it. There was like lightning, so I'm like, ooh, I have to get my iPad out. Man, there's like supposed to be lightning over somewhere. Man. Whoa. Oh, you said there was like lightning there. There's like lightning over there.
I think I got it. Look.
You got it?
Yeah, look.
Okay, guys.
Look. It's slow-mo. Look. Look, slow-mo, look.
Oh. You think you got it?
I think I did. Look. Watch. Are you watching?
Yes, I'm watching it through the iPad.
Look.
Oh, you see that?
Not yet. Wait. It's coming. It's coming. Just give it a second. Hold on. Wait, watch. Here it comes. Okay, look. Are you watching?
Yes, I'm watching
Okay,
through the iPad.
It's a slow-mo, and then I'm going to go the other way. Watch.
Whoa, what is that?
Wait.
What is that? I captured something. What?
There's a bird flying.
Bird.
I think that was a bird.
Guys, this is a slow motion, so it's not my dad's fault that's making it slow motion.
Yeah. You see it? You see the sky? Look.
I'm seeing the sky. Whoa, you saw that? There's like lightning right there. Yeah, I saw that. They got it. I caught it. Whoo. Oh, there's like lightning. Whoa! You saw that flash. You saw that. You gotta see it. You gotta see the flash.
That was awesome.
Oh no. Can't believe you caught it on slow motion. I wish I had slow motion. I don't. I only have like time lapse. Hear that, guys? But don't remember I pointed something. I like captured something right there. It was like black and then it had like, I don't know, white eyes. Whoa. And then right now I don't think you guys can see it, but right now the sky is yellow. This part is yellow. Man. Whoa! You got it. Finally. Whoa! There's lightning on top of us. Okay. Man, it's raining so hard. Oh, but you see that? A lot of lightning over there was like boom, 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 boom. Man. Oh, the lights could have just gone out. Then can you get my charger, the iPad charger? Wait. It's downstairs in Tete's room.
Oh, I can get it.
Yeah, the lights are turned on. The lights are turned on, and I left it on.
Why you can't get it?
Fine.
I'm gonna show the video camera.
No. I'm the only one. Have you mind? The lights went out downstairs. What could have just been? Nah, it can't be the lights went out. Because if the lights went out, then the lights upstairs would be out. Sorry guys, I have to get my charger here. My this. how to get my charger and my wallet. Oh, hold on. I have to turn off these lights. Turn off lights. Turn off. And I'm going downstairs. I mean upstairs. And I'm going upstairs. Finally. Woo! I saw that. I can't believe you didn't got it. I saw it. Man, I'm getting a lot of lightning catches, and I'm not. No, I'm getting a lot of lightning catches, and you guys are not, guy. But you captured a lot lightning over there. Peace. I'll continue the video. I'll come back. Part 2. Lightning thunder.